I would like to present and deliver a speech a hadith. عن أبي ذر رضي الله عنه قال قال رسول الله صلى الله عليه وسلم تبسمك في وجه أخيك صدقة. This hadith is narrated by Abu Dhar. English translation: your smile for your brother is charity. Explanation: this hadith shows that even small acts of kindness, such as smiling at others, are rewarded as acts of charity. It encourages Muslims to be kind, cheerful, and approachable. Thank you so much. Have a great time. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.